What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I am actually pretty excited about this video that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I recently was reached out by Maxshine. So before I start the video, I want to say thank you to Maxshine for the opportunity to be showcasing some of your products. As you guys can see, this is not actually the first time Maxshine has given me an opportunity. In the past, guys, Maxshine sent me these pretty cool holders, and it came with the banner, and I ended up it came with, I think, one of the polisher holders, and I started buying more. And as you guys can see throughout, the year, I have bought more stuff. I recently just bought this phone holder, and I bought I ended up buying another polisher. I recently purchased the Maxshine Mini that you guys saw in the videos, which I'll be showcasing as well here in the near future. I'm still playing with it, so I don't have like a full-on review, but I'm excited because they sent me this box. And this box is in here. It is the perfect polisher, in my opinion, for a beginner, or if you're looking for something smaller with some power, maybe this helps you out. So let's get started. And I've been excited to actually show this to you guys. I've just been very, very busy. All right, so what this looks like, this is the Maxshine bundle kit. All right, so stay tuned. I have some really exciting news on this one, so stick around. This should be very fun, and I'm actually going to be demonstrating it on this hood, and we're going to showcase the products out. So stick around, guys, don't leave. So right off the bat, we have a 5-inch foam pad. This is their cutting pad, right? Next, we have their finishing pad from Maxshine. And we also have the High Pro foam pad polishing pad, right? So if you were to do like a correction or something like that, this is usually how you would attack it from your, if you're doing like a good two-step, your heavy cut, then your polishing, and then your finishing pad. We'll get all that in here. We also have this bag that comes with some tools, and they also sent me their polish. So we're gonna be using this as well. We're gonna pair all of this together, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest feedback on what I think. I've never used this product. I have seen it, but I've never used it. So this is their Maxshine all-in-one polish and protect micro cutting technology, high gloss finish, and sealing wax. So I'm excited for this. We got that. With that, they also sent us some microfiber towels. And here we go, guys. This is what I wanted to show you guys. The brand new Maxshine dual action M8S V2 polisher. I'm excited. That's why I need to buy another rail for this. I don't have any more room. But check it out, guys. Check it out. It'd be cool if one day Maxshine does an orange one. Whoo, that's a wrap. That would be a wrap. I'd be buying everything. But check it out, guys. Right off the bat, looks pretty cool. Obviously, some will compare this, I believe, to like the Grio's G6. I think I've seen some people say that it looks like the G6. But I will definitely kind of give you some comparisons between the G6 and this one. So far, I love the vent has the M like the Maxshine. But so far, it's solid. So this is the Maxshine bundle kit, guys. This right here, when you order it through Maxshine, it will literally come with everything you see right here. It will come with your three polishing, your 3 pads. I believe it also comes with 2 towels. It comes with your all-in-one and your polisher. We'll get to the pricing here in a little bit, but let me kind of get this set up and let's put this machine to work and let's see how it does. So before we showcase this machine, I want to give you guys a quick visual and I'll show you really quick. Alright guys, so the intention of what I did is I used just a drill brush and a bristle brush, right? And what this portrays a lot of the times, guys, is your local car washes. So that's what the vision I'm trying to give you guys, and hopefully the light can definitely showcase that, right? So a lot of vehicles that we work on daily usually look like this, guys. So we're gonna try their products and see how well it performs on your everyday scenarios. So for this scenario, guys, we're gonna try their cutting pad and we're gonna pair it with their all-in-one to really clean this up. I like how the MAXSHINE has their logo in there, pretty cool. And let's pair it. We're gonna go ahead and just shake this bottle up. And usually me, when it's a brand new pad, guys, I have a habit of just doing and I know some will say you're supposed to put 4 drops, but I like to literally kind of prime the pad. All right, so right off the bat, I like the balance on it. I love this rubber right here where I can put my hands on. So far, feels comfortable to the hand. And let's turn it on. The dial is on the bottom, so you know, that's just something, it's preference, but to me, it really won't make a difference. So let's turn it on. It definitely feels real smooth as soon as you turn it on. Vibration, I don't feel a lot of vibration. Obviously, we are at a low setting, but let's speed it up and let's see how well it does. All right, so start at a speed 2, and then we are blending the product in, and then we are gradually speeding it up to a speed 5. And to be honest, at speed 5, this thing was moving. So overall, I am really enjoying this little machine with a lot of power. All right, and we're gonna use their premium crazy microfiber towel, the Blue Zero Crazy towel. This is a edgeless microfiber towel, so it's perfect for buffing. One side is plush, high pile loop, and then the other side is more of a short pile loop. So I think this will do really well. And obviously, let's see how well this product did. As far as the buff off, this polish feels nicely to remove. We're gonna flip it over just to even it out. And let's put the light on it. Let's see how this turned out. Not bad. So check it out, guys. Not bad. For an enhancement, this will do really, really well. Honestly, I feel if I would have worked the product a little bit longer, I would have gotten more of the defects out, but I like it. I really do. The product smells good. From how it looked before, guys, this is a huge improvement. So you can definitely use it more as an enhancement. So we went from this, right, to this. So I'd say that is a really huge difference. I do see some haziness. Obviously, that's probably from using the heavy cut pad. But I really wanted just to try that pad just to see how well it would cut. And it did really well. Obviously, if we would have used the polishing pad, I think I would have had a more clear finish. But I'm happy with the way this product actually worked. Final thoughts on this machine. It is smooth, guys. The vibration, it is perfect. I think if I was to recommend, a lot of people usually ask me, a lot of the people who follow me are usually asking me for beginners tips, right? If you're planning on buying like the Bauer from Harbor Freight, has a lot of vibration, this one here is definitely the perfect upgrade for you. And I honestly feel that this is truly the perfect package for a starter detailer. If you're wanting to get into the polishing or the waxing, you're looking for a machine that can give you everything in this little thing in a machine. This one here is honestly very solid, guys. I really enjoyed it, obviously, using it. Now, no vibration, to be honest. I don't feel, I know at times before I would use like my Harbor Freight, my whole hand would feel like itchy. Obviously, that's from the vibration, right? As far as the product, they're all-in-one polish. You guys saw here firsthand how it looked and how it performed after with using their heavy cut. Yeah, I could have probably used their polishing pad and it would have cleaned it up nicely, more gloss, right? But I really wanted to see the power of the cutting pad, and it did really well, guys. The specs on this machine, to be honest, like I said in the beginning, many people try to compare this one to the Griot's G6. The Griot's G6 was only 850 watts for their machine, right? The MAXSHINE, this one right here, it is 1,000 watts. So right off the bat, guys, this one here packs power to definitely cut into those corrections that you want to do, and it's gonna do the job, right? On the throw, the G6 and this one, they're both 8mm throws, so those were equal. The backing plates with the G6, that one was a 6-inch backing plate. This one here is a 5-inch backing plate. In my opinion, when you downsize to a 5-inch backing plate, especially with this machine, you have a better control of your machine, and the correction is perfect, right? So all in all, this new polisher that they made is more powerful. It has everything that I think a detailer needs in their arsenal, in their corrections, right? If you don't want to use like these long throws, you can definitely resort to a smaller machine, and I feel confident that this thing is going to give me results. So again, I'm stoked that I got their brand new Maxshine M8. As far as the maintenance on these machines, it's minimal, to be honest. The way they upgraded their system and all their stuff, the maintenance on it is going to be really minimal. So I feel confident that this machine should last me for a while. As you guys see, obviously I have a lot of their stuff just because I really love their products. I haven't had any issues with it. As far as the atoms that I had, obviously I think I have to reorder a new plug or something, and honestly, I can't go wrong with their products for Maxshine. The only thing I'm about to buy with Maxshine is probably their 3-inch mini polisher, so I can have like the whole lineup. But I've pretty much purchased all of these myself, and this is actually, you know, Maxshine sent me this one to test out, to review, and really give you them my honest feedback. And all in all, guys, I really can't complain. Now, to end this video, the price on this machine, right? This bundle here on the MAXSHINE website is $206 with like 93 cents, I think, or something like that. Just say 207, right? But recently, MAXSHINE gave me a discount code, and this is anytime you're wanting to purchase anything from MAXSHINE, guys. When you use my promo code or discount code Serranos15, which I'll be typing it down below, you're gonna get 15% off. So in theory, guys, this whole kit that I showcased today, guys, from the machine to the pads, this whole kit right here, guys, you can get it with my discount for about $189. And that's truly savings. That is a big discount. That's like $31 off of this kit, guys. So if you've been looking into buying a polisher, right, I honestly feel like this machine here is gonna be your best friend. And to be honest, after seeing it work right now, I might just start using this one for all my corrections, because it has power. It's very smooth. The vibration is not there. In my opinion, I didn't feel any vibration. And you get all of this bundle right here. You're gonna get everything you need to literally go out there and provide a service to a customer, and you're gonna feel safe that you're buying a very strong machine. So again, thank you to MAXSHINE for the opportunity for sending me literally this whole kit. I am just thankful. I'm very thankful, to be honest, for you guys. And if you purchased this machine already, what do you think about it? I barely got it. I know a lot of people probably purchased this one already. But tell me what you guys think in the comments. Again, anytime you're trying to get a MAXSHINE product, use my promo code, guys. Serranos15, you're gonna get 15% off. To some, that's not a lot, but really to me, for me, it's always to give back to the viewers, right? And 15%, it is a pretty good discount, especially if you're gonna be buying a bunch. The more you buy, I feel like the more you save in a way. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.